Nice, good afternoon. So in this class we are going to discuss about a product called IoT operated solar panel cleaning robot. So what is so in this class we will discuss what are the advantages and disadvantages and what are the applications and what is the necessity of this product. So this is our student project. So here the important objective of this project is to clean the solar panel. The title of this project is IoT operated solar panel cleaning robot. So how the solar panel we are going to clean. So why this project is after some time the installation of solar panel. So there is a huge possibility of there is a rust formation in the surface of solar panel. So once the rust is formed in the surface of solar panel, so it will reduce the efficiency of the heat absorbing ability of this solar panel. So for that case, we are developed this project. So this project will going to remove all those dust, rust is deposited in the surface of the solar panel. So once this solar panel is placed in any side of the panel, so that we can easily operate this device by means of mobile also. So with the help of mobile, we can operate this entire device so that we can clean the entire solar panel. So here this device includes the number of components like batteries and then so water tank, nozzle and then brush. So with the help of this, so we can easily remove the rust formed in the surface of the solar panel. So remaining entire process and then what are the components in this device. So we are going to discuss by our students one by one, right?
So hello, I am going to tell overview of this project. So title of the project is IoT controlled solar panel cleaner. So this project is basically made for to clean solar panel on roofs or somewhere. So we are using some components like the motor, Arduino, like that, and also we can control this project using our mobile phone. We have such a component in this project. That component will be explained by Sri.
We have a metal base here, and we kept the breadboard and we kept the canvas board, and we clamped the motherboard here, and we have Arduino and some capacitors and resistor and diodes, and we have a DC input socket, and here we have the fuse, and we have some rotating motors which it can go through the solar panels, like it moving frontward, backward. And we connected through a battery, and we have a water tank, and it is connected to the brush which cleans the panel, and this brush also moves like up and down for the cleaning process.
So yes, like our CK said, so this small device can use 360-degree rotation. So with the help of this motor, we have each motor wheel is connected by means of each motor, so that we can control this entire system in a 360 manner. So this panel will turn 360 degree, so that whichever place we want to move this, so that we can move this throughout the panel. So its direction is there is no restriction in the movement, and then this brush also will move up and down, and then the entire process will be controlled by this the panel, right?
And as for now saying how it is built, now we are going to see how it's working. First, it is easy accessible, and the power is from battery to the Arduino, and the Arduino is controlled through a motherboard.
And like Yasik said, yeah, it's easily accessible from the mobile devices. Like as said, it is connected to the internet, so it's a kind of IoT device. So when it has a sensor on the front, so when it's connected to the phone, we can we have some light signals. So when it is reaching at the end of the point, it shows some signal. Then we can operate to the phone and change the direction of the cleaner, and we can clean the other side of the solar panel.
So major advantages of the system is once we can set the size of the solar panel. So each end we can set the size of the entire panel means, so that it can easily move in any direction. So without our human assistance, that is the major plus with this system. And then we have a number of advantages for this. Why we have this system is so without any human effort, we can clean the entire solar panel, and then we can also once with the help of the manual cleaning, there is a huge possibility of the damage of the solar panel. Also, we can break. There is a break. We also sometimes will happen. So, part of case with the light weight of this device. So we can clean the entire panel without any further damage. So that is another plus with this system. And then the minus point of view, the negative point of view, so far we doesn't experience any negative things with this with this system. So I think this device will going to help us even with the industry, like they have the huge sized solar panel. Compared to the domestic application, yes, we know, yes, in the domestic also we are using solar panel, but in the industry case, we have the huge sized solar panel. So in that case, with the human power, it is very difficult, you know. So for that case, we can use the system. So it's a huge plus for industry person. So that so it's our thing is to execute this project with the society. So that we can use there is a sustainable development of the society. So I think it's definitely useful for as well as domestic and also industry persons and anywhere those who are using solar panel. So there is kudos to our students for making this very good projects, and I congratulate them. Thank you.